The organizational operating canvas is a tool that comes from the book Brain New Work of Aaron Dignan. This is a tool that I've been using in organization and is a diagnostic tool to quickly identify areas for experimentation to bring about real change. What I use the canvas for is what I call the operating system canvas meeting, a face-to-face online session with 15 people from all areas of organization. I have been using this to redesign organization as a result of a large disruption like a pandemic, to redesign hybrid work, or to improve the organizational culture, or simply to tackle new challenges in organization. So, what is the operating system? Every organization has a culture that expresses itself in how work gets done. This is what we mean by organizational operating system. Now, this is a collection of implicit and explicit constraints that shape how people in the organization operate, and is invisible because the DNA is very pervasive and is hard to see. So the work in this meeting, it's pretty much about clarifying what is this operating system. It's a core set of processes, practices, assumptions, beliefs, and policies that principles that act as the foundation of every organization does on a day-to-day work. Now, culture work is abstract and is often feel hard to define. So the 12 dimensions of the canvas help people see the work in more specific ways. So here is the canvas for you. Those 12 dimensions become a more clear and compelling dimension that you can explore about your organization. Let me give you an example. For example, one area of the canvas is the areas of meetings, how the organization convene and coordinate. So for example, are those many? Are they effective? Are they ineffective? Are they facilitated? Are they long? Are they short? Do people have agenda? Do you want to go to meetings? Do you want more meeting? Do you want less meeting? Another area of the canvas is power or authority. How do we share power and make decisions in the organization? Are decisions always from the top? Are they negotiated? Are they participated? Are people involved in them? Or are they not involved in them? And another area of the canvas is the structure. How do organization in general is organized? How do we team? Are team really teams? Do people enjoy being in team? Are teams between different departments common? Are they disbanded? Do they last long? The work into them is effective, ineffective. Now, of course, we can do this, for example, for compensation. We can do this for relationship and membership. So overall, the canvas provides us a general area to make the culture of the organization much more concrete and clear to understand. Now, once we know and understand the canvas, here is the work that I do in the operating system canvas meeting. The first part of the work is understanding the intention. After those 15 people join, either face-to-face or online, our work is all about asking what is the one intention that you're setting for yourself and for this work that we're doing together. And we do this in a very clear way, asking people to really think about what is the overall purpose of the work that we are doing. This is a great way to set up the group and give them a sense of what is the scope of what we are doing. The next step involves naming those tensions that we see. We think about each area of the canvas and we ask people at least 5 sticky notes so that they can put them overall on the canvas. What are the tensions, disconnect, or issues that you feel day to day in your work? What is preventing you to do the best work of your life? What is slowing you down? What is your biggest problem as an organization? The next step in this work is then, after all the sticky are on the wall, to actually talk about the bright spot. Think about each areas of the canvas and we answer, what is working well? What is enabling you to do great work here? What is speeding you or your team up? What is helping you make better decisions? And so on. We put those sticky as well on the wall, and here comes the most interesting part of the work. We give a look at the canvas as a whole, and we see under noticing what's happening for each single dimension. Why are those issues present here? What underlying structure are contributing to them? What personal behavior, attitudes, and assumption, and what bigger patterns are emerging? At the end of this work, we clearly identify what do you see as ready for change. And this clearly is a very specific experiment that will unfold in the following days. I hope that you will be using the canvas and that you will consider a tool to clarify and simplify the work on culture in organization.